All right, howdy, Okie boys. We are back. We are looking for probably some ducks. This morning we were trying to go do some deer hunting, a little bit of scouting for some ducks out on a little bit of public land down south. But my boat didn't pee like I figured it wouldn't. And well, now here we went and got Dad's boat. And we're getting it off here at the boat ramp. There's Dylan and Dad. Dad's probably gonna do a little deer hunting while we're out here scouting for some of these ducks. But hopefully we're gonna find some of these birds on these sloughs, and we'll be able to come back tomorrow on the split season opener, and hopefully we'll be able to kill some birds. But hopefully maybe Dad might even be able to shoot a deer today or something. You never know. All right, well, we're gonna see if this one pees too now. All right, guys, we ended up the boat pees, so we're good to go. The old Mercury came in clutch, but I believe our first destination's on here around the bend, and then hopefully we're gonna see some birds. But you guys stay tuned. We'll try to show you what we can. I got the big camera out so I can zoom in and get some better footage, but we'll see that here in a second. Well, here's the first spot. Got up right here off the creek, but basically you can see it from the creek. But walked up, clapped a little, nothing. So when we first got up here to the mouth of the creek there, we probably seen what, 5, 6 diver ducks. 2 of them were bufflehead confirmed. One of them looked like a merganser, and there was a couple of them we couldn't see because they was up about 100 yards away from us. But we're gonna try to get off of this bank here. There we go. All right, now that we're off of that, we are headed to the next spot. We'll see you guys there. All right, folks, we come back through here. Dad's electronics isn't exactly working, so we're kind of a little iffy to go through here. We know it's a stump field, and it'll probably take an hour to go through there slowly and an hour back. And we know there's birds here, but we also know there's probably birds elsewhere that we can go check the boat a little more safely. And it is super cold right now, so if we hit something, jump in the water, you never know. It's always a safety deal here. We always want to stay as safe as possible, so we're just gonna go ahead and try somewhere else. But we'll see you guys out there at the next spot. All right, Okie boys, we're here. If you guys know the bridge, you know what's up, you know where we're at. It's a really common place. It's a really high duck highway, really, for here. There's always a lot of birds. So we're real confident we've got a blind permit out here, so we'll be able to hunt it regardless. So hopefully there's birds right here where we're at. It's where we've hunted before, so you know, lightning strikes more than once, sometimes in the same spot. You guys know what I'm talking about.
My hat. Oh. There. I said, oh. Give me everything you got, Dylan. Treacherous. Sure. On the bow or right here?
Yeah, whatever you feel like. All right, Okie boys, we found them. We ended up coming down here and checking this spot where Dad's got his blind permit. Wouldn't you know, we probably scared up 150, 200 birds. There's just about all mallards that got up, but Dylan's saying they ended up seeing some more birds sitting there on the water. let him tell you a little bit of what he found. I didn't quite make it out there. I was sitting there pilfering.
I walked up and there was probably, I don't know, 200 greenheads sitting out there right where we had the blind. I mean, it's all flooded, and probably same amount of teal, green-winged teal. So we're gonna have a hell of a shoot in the morning, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, I'm hoping it's gonna be a good one. I think we're bringing about 5-6 people, so I'm not saying we're gonna get, you know, all 36 ducks, but we're gonna dang sure try.
We're gonna try for sure.
You're dang right.
So we're gonna
y'all stay tuned. It should be a banger. And then we've got a private land banger off of our pond. I've been watching it, and just like, you know, everywhere else, there's birds everywhere. So lo and behold, there's more birds sitting on the pond, so maybe we'll have a little bit better hunt than we did last time. But you know, it's always hunting. Yeah, them cold fronts help. But
yeah, cold weather, duck season's finally here. We made it.
Absolutely. It's only now probably just got to about 50 degrees, 52 maybe. But I tell you what, when you're going down down the creek with the boat, it don't feel no 50 degrees. It feel about 30. But you guys stay safe and stay tuned. We'll get to you. All right, howdy, Okie boys. We're here down at the Deep Fork. It is a pretty good morning. It's probably like 40 degrees, probably a little bit less than 40 degrees. But tell you what, loaded up in all this gear, it sure is hot. But Dylan's out there setting up some of the decoys. Brandon's dropping the wings off of the Mojo, and we're gonna get set up. We're gonna start getting here. Dad and Adam are walking down the woods right here. We're gonna go out, get the chair set up. I'm gonna get this camera set up. We're gonna get the GoPro set up. How's it going, Hank? Doing good, buddy? All right, guys, we got our spread out. I got the camera up. Let me flip that up so I ain't sitting there trying to film nothing. But got the camera up, got Dad setting up. We got Adam and Ethan setting up over there in their little spot. We got Hank him a little, I don't know what you call it, like a little platform to keep him up out of the water. But right now he's so excited he don't care. He's just hanging out, wanting to run around. But I think right now we'll try to show you a little bit of the spread, and Dylan's gonna be sitting over there. We'll have Adam and Ethan over here, and then me and Dad, I believe, are gonna sit right here.
I'll also be with Dylan.
Yep, Brandon and Dylan or whatever.
All right, behind Brandon here, let's see this decoy spread. We got, let's see. We got, I don't know if they can really see that or not on camera.
May not be able to.
So we got our mallards out there. We got two Mojos and a couple of pulsators. So we'll see what happens. We got a good wind. Should keep these decoys moving. And birds should be landing right in our face. It is a perfect wind for this hole. Nice open water. So we're gonna get after it, guys.
Come on, brother, sit you on your chair.
Anything else, Dylan?
No.
All right.
We'll see you guys shooting light.
Shooting light. Beep, beep. cut him. I got one down.
Right there on the right. Well, he's dipping and diving like he's getting shot at. He's dumping on the right. I don't know where he's going. He's coming, right here. Cut him. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Here it comes, boys. What are you doing, Hank?
So how many birds have y'all killed?
2.
Oh, we.
Oh, we indeed. Give us a little mid-morning update. I guess a 20-minute into the morning update.
20 minutes. Well, no, it's been longer than that. Almost an hour in the shooting light.
What? Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
There's some high flyers.
You cut him?
No.
Did you not get him?
No. I hit him through the bushes, but he was all there. I didn't want to kill that thing. You know what it was?
Yeah, I know what it was, but it's a duck down is what it was fixing to be. What are you doing, brother? Maybe. No, they went way over there. We should have just shot at them, but they're pretty. What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, you cold, buddy. I'm sorry. I forgot your damn jacket, Bill. See him up there?
Yeah, I see this one.
Well, that right there probably ended that for us.
I've had some shoot.
Is there hunters down here on the Deep Fork, Dylan?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They cutting loose down here.
Yeah. What are you doing, Hank? You still be a good boy? Yeah, I know you want some birds. There he is. It's probably the same one. Get ready, guys. Hard right over our shoulders.
Nah, he's going away.
Yeah. He's a runner. Yeah.
You could probably sit here in a couple hours and they really start.
They might